Dennis Jones, CEO of Judo Payments. The problem with payments in most mobile apps is they haven't been redesigned for mobile. It's e-commerce shrunk for a smaller screen. And so for most mobile payments, you're seeing transaction times that take 6 to 10 seconds. You're seeing multiple server calls, which leads to consumers dropping out of the process. And at the end of the day, you see conversion rates that are 1/3 to 1/10 what you see on a traditional e-commerce desktop site. For merchants, that means the problem is people don't end up buying. Here are 8 tips for maximizing your conversion. Only ask for the information you need. So when they go to make the payment, just ask for the 16-digit card number. No other confusing information on the screen. You've got a small amount of space and a small amount of consumer headroom. So give them a single point of focus. When the customer is providing that number, don't give them a confusing alphanumeric keyboard. They don't need to see A, B, C, D, E, F, G. All they need is 1 through 9 in a simple keyboard display. So there's absolutely no need for you to ask the user whether they're providing a Visa, MasterCard, or American Express. If the number starts with a 3, it's an American Express. If it starts with a 4, it's a Visa. If it starts with a 5, it's a MasterCard. Good systems will automatically recognize the type of card as they begin entering the card number. Mobile is all about design. And we need to use little design features to help guide that consumer along. So as they're entering those card details, provide them a picture of what they're doing. So when you start recognizing the card type, show that card type appearing on a picture of a credit card. When you need that security code, flip that card around and circle where the security code is. When you're moving from the 16-digit card number to the additional information you need, make sure that that page movement is instantaneous. You can do this by natively including the payments in your app, and so that page gets delivered automatically. Research from Google says every page load makes 20% of customers drop out of the conversion process. One of the biggest barriers to a consumer making a payment on mobile, on e-commerce, anywhere, is a perception of security. All payment providers are highly secure and PCI compliant. But you want to remind your customer that they are in a secure server environment on every screen. Just giving them that sense that you've paid attention to security will help alleviate most of their fears. In mobile, the key to success is speed and simplicity. And so for mobile, when we don't know how good the connections with the networks are going to be, you want a single server call to complete that payment. In mobile, once you've acquired your customer and they've paid you once, you should make it as easy as possible for them to complete a transaction in the future. Think of this as one-tap payments. So when they come in and they're buying their second cup of coffee from you, they should be able to do it with a single tap and not provide you any more information.